Gary Johnson was not there to find anything. He was a locksmith sometimes in the 1990s. Eastern State was the early stages of registration, the city clearing out what decades of closure had left behind, documenting buildings before too much was lost. Johnson's job was practical, removing all locks from cell doors in cell block 4 that had not been opened since the prison closed. Cell block 4 is one of the original sections built in the 1820s with ceilings that arch like a church and skylights that push shafts of light straight down. The same skylights that Quakers positioned to make prisoners feel watched by something they could never see. The same cells where men spoke to people who were not there. Johnson was crouched over a lock in one of those cells. The cell block was quiet in a way that old stone buildings are quiet. Not silence, just a stillness that feels heavier than it should. And then something grabbed him. He described it as it was not something that brushed against him. And it wasn't a draft catching his jacket, but something grabbing him. He described it as a hand, an invisible hand, closing around him with force while he knelt in that cell. There was nothing there, nothing he could see. Johnson has told this account publicly at the site multiple times over the years. It was the most consistently cited first-person report in the Eastern State documented history. He was a tradesman. He was there to fix a lock. He wasn't looking for anything unusual. He has not changed his account over the years. But he refused to work alone in the section of that prison again.